Good morning students. This is your chemistry class. This video is for class 10th, and in this video we will see the answers of the assignment I had given you. See the first question. Arrange the following as per instructions given in the brackets. So this is the question for you. You have to arrange these elements on the basis of decreasing order of atomic size. So here the answer. Second is you have to arrange these elements in increasing order of ionization potential, and here is the answer. This is the third. You have to arrange these elements in increasing order of electron affinity. So here you can see this is the elements of group halogens. These are halogens, and they are present in group. So in a group electron affinity decreases. So here first element is fluorine, but we know that exception is there, that fluorine electron affinity is lower than the chlorine. That's why chlorine has the highest value for electron affinity, then fluorine, then bromine, and then iodine. Okay, so that's why here we have written like this. Now next, these is also the elements of a group, and you have to arrange it in the decreasing order of electronegativity. So in group also electronegativity decreasing. So here's the answer. And this fifth one, you have to arrange these elements in decreasing order of the ionization potential, and here is the answer. Now see the second question. Arrange the following in order of increasing radii. So this is chlorine atom, and this is chloride ion. So chloride ion, we know that anion are always larger than the parent atom. So here is the answer. Second, magnesium 2 positive, magnesium and magnesium 1 positive. So magnesium 2 positive and magnesium 1 positive are cations, and this is magnesium atom. And we know that cations are always smaller than the parent atom. And the charge on the ion, cation, shows the size. The more is the charge, the more smaller the size. That's why the smallest size is of magnesium 2 positive. Then magnesium 1 positive is larger in size than magnesium 2 positive, and the larger sizes of magnesium. So these are cations, and cations are always smaller than the parent atom. And the charge on the cation shows its smaller size. The more the charge, the smaller is the size. Now third is NOP, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus. So here this is arranged. Now third, which element from the following has the highest ionization energy and why? So these are the elements, and you have to tell why. So from these three, chlorine has the highest ionization energy, and this is the reason why. Again here, these are three elements. Neon has the highest ionization energy, and why? So this is the answer, why. Now here these are three elements, and you have to tell which element has the highest ionization energy. So here is the helium, and why? The reason is written over here. Now you have to give reasons. The first is ionization potential of the element increases across a period from left to right. So this is the answer. Here dash means first you will write from the question, then you will start from because. Now next is alkali metals are good reducing agents. So here again dash, and then you will start from because. So this answer I will read because half of the answer is on next page. So alkali metals are good reducing agents because alkali metals have only one valence electron in the outermost shell. So they lose their electron more easily to attain stable electronic configuration. Moreover, alkali metals have least value for ionization potential, electronegativity, and have largest value for atomic size. Due to these reasons, alkali metals have the greater tendency to lose electrons. Now third is cation is always smaller than the parent atom. This is on page number 7 in new book. And anion is larger than the parent atom. This is also on page number 8 in new book. I will show you the book. Now you can see this is page number 7, and here's the question and its answer. Okay, so you can write the answer from there. Now again, this is anion is larger than the parent atom. The answer is written over here. Okay, and you can see this is page number 8 of new book. So you write the answer from here. Thank you students.